I want to share with you 4 principles of eternal happiness that have truly transformed my life. So let's dive right in. First up, we have the principle of trust. Trusting in God and His plan for your life is essential for finding true happiness. When you surrender to His will, you can experience a sense of peace and joy that can't be shaken. Next is the principle of giving. When you give generously of your time, talents, and treasures, you will reap the rewards in abundance. Happiness doesn't come from having more. It comes from appreciating what you have and sharing it with others. The third principle is gratitude. When you express gratitude for the good things in your life, you shift your focus from what's missing to what's present, leading to a more fulfilled and happy existence. Lastly, we have the principle of focus on what truly matters. By focusing on what truly matters most to you in life, whether it be family, friends, or pursuing your passions, happiness will follow naturally. When your energy is aligned with your values and goals, happiness is an inevitable outcome. Remember, these 4 principles are not just guidelines. They are a roadmap to a lifetime of happiness and fulfillment.